So yeah, boys, I'm on my roof now. Without zooming in, you'll probably be able to see the shoals. Check all the ships there. But without zooming in, you'll probably be able to see the shoals. But if I zoom in, you should be able to see them. Look at that for shoals. Shoals, 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 shoals. How's that for shoals of fish, boys? Dead calm. There's that ship out there, the cruiser. Check the shoals. A lot of them are fizzing. They look like frigates, a lot of them. Check that shoal on the inside there. Look at it. Check at them. Check at that. Check at those shoals there, look. Freaking ridiculous. I think there's a few shoals out today, chaps. Check. Check there. How's that for shoals of fish? The ocean's having a good rest. But look at the shoals standing on my roof. Shit, is all I can say. Check that. How's that for a shoal of fish there, look. On the inside too, right inside. I've never seen so many shoals. Look at it. Check at them. Big shoals, small shoals. Look. How's that, chaps? I'm jealous. Bossy, I'm jealous. I can't go fishing. The ocean's having a good rest now. Check. A massive, massive shoal on the inside over there. If you look carefully, well, you can't see it, but there's birds there with that big shoal there. One more look just to get you guys on the edge. Look at that for shoals. Fuck, it's wild. Wild, wild. Even far out, look at the shoals. Those ones out there are just black and fizzing. Sorry chaps, feel for me.